Hi everyone, today we will see how we can use stickers on Snapchat. Also, I wonder why you want to use any sticker on Snapchat. Maybe you just have created a snap and you want to add stickers. Or maybe you just have clicked a snap and in something you want to hide, like your car number plate or phone number. That's why you want to add a sticker to hide it. Or could be any reason for you to use a sticker on Snapchat. Maybe you want to create an interesting snap with the help of stickers. But in this video, I'll show you how easily you can do that. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description. You can check that as well. So first you have to make sure that you have already installed Snapchat and then open it and make sure you have already logged in with your account. To add a sticker, first you have to create a snap. It could be a picture or video. It's all up to you. Once you create it, you will see few options on the right side of the screen. On these options, you could see this third option. You just have to tap on it, and once you open it, all the stickers will appear here. First, you will see all the featured stickers that are featured by Snapchat itself. If you want to select any one of them, you just have to simply tap on that sticker and that sticker will get to your snap. You can place it anywhere on your screen. You can make it big, make it small, and if you don't like it, you just scroll it to the bin, add here, and then it will get deleted. Other than that, if you want to find a specific kind of sticker like food, pets, travel, you have to go to the search and then you have to type for it. And all the stickers with that related stuff will appear. Along with stickers, the moving stickers will also appear. You can select any one of these, simply place it on your snap, and then the stickers with your own character will appear here, and at the bottom cameos will appear. You can select any one of these, whatever you like, you can use that one. It's all up to you, there's no limitation to it. What kind of sticker exists on Snapchat, you can easily use that. So if you again go to stickers, and there we have few more options, like you could use the stickers that you have recently used through this clock icon, as you can see in the middle one, which is on the top side of the screen. If you tap on it, all the stickers that you have used recently will appear here. You can select all these. Here you could see all the stickers that have your character, and here we have featured one. Here we have the smileys. You can use all these. If you like any one of these, here you could use products, and whatever you like, you just simply have to tap on it and then it will get to your profile. You can use multiple stickers at a time. So if you ever want to add any kind of sticker or Snapchat, this is how you could do it. Also, this was the easiest way I know through which you can use stickers on Snapchat. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more videos and update, and thank you for watching the video.